How to check Snapchat hidden friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check hidden friends on Snapchat. So if you're wondering whether someone is hidden, muted, or removed from your visible chat list, well, this guide is for you. So here to tell you upfrontly that Snapchat does not have an official hidden friends list option, but there is a few places where your friends might be hidden from your main view. And in this video, I'll show you how you can check them. So here, with that, method one is to check the cleared conversation. So here, let's say if someone disappears from your chat list, then you may have cleared the conversation. So what you can do is just open the Snapchat and go to the chat screen. And now here in this section, you can just tap on the search icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now from here, you can simply type the friend's name in the search bar at the top, and here if they appear they are not removed, the chat was just clear. And with that, method 2 is to check the blocked users. So sometimes a friend may be hidden because they are blocked. So here what you can do in this case is you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply scroll down and tap on blocked users. And here you'll see the list of all the blocked accounts. So here if someone is there and they won't appear in your friends list. So what you can do is simply unblock them if you want to see them in your friends list. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to check the muted friends. So here in Snapchat, if you have muted someone, then they may feel hidden. So here what you can do in this case is just go to the chat screen, and there you can simply press and hold on the friend's name. And here once you see the interface like this, you simply have to tap on chat and notification settings, and there you simply have to scroll down and tap on notification settings. And now here in this section, you simply have to toggle off both this option if they was muted. And that's it. Snapchat does not have a hidden friends section, but friends can be seen hidden if the conversation was cleared, if they was muted, if they was blocked, or they were removed from the chat list. And that's it. I hope this clear things up for you. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.